What if I were to tell you that fixing this one thing could be the difference between your successful business and a failing business? Will you believe me? I tried it for myself and my profits were up by 87%. But what did I change? Well, it was the result of me discovering this new thing that you're probably ignoring, just like 90% of new entrepreneurs. But what did I do? In this video, I'm going to tell you these 3 powerful tools that will change your business life forever. Point number 1, being a successful salesman. You need to understand that for you to have a successful business, you need to sell a product or a service. Sales generate revenue, and revenue is the thing that keeps us in business. And so, with no sales, there's no revenue. And if your business is not generating revenue, that means that you're a step closer to going back to being employed. So, even before you start that business, you need to understand the basics of sales and marketing. And we are actually living in better days. And by just one search on Google, you can get free courses on how to be a good salesman or saleswoman. Because I'm telling you the truth that no matter how good of a product you have, if you can't sell that product to your business is as good as useless. And to support this point, you will notice that the largest companies that we have in this world right now, they were made or founded by salesmen and women. People like Warren Buffett and Howard, the man who made Starbucks. Their companies and their success today can be accredited to their background as salesmen. The second point that you have is having a good product. Now, quality in a product or service is not what you as the business owner puts in, but it is what the customer gets out and what he or she is willing to pay for. So what makes a quality product? What makes a quality product is not based on how hard is it to make or how expensive the product is, as new entrepreneurs typically believe. And this is what I call incompetence. Customers pay only for what is of use to them and what gives them value. Nothing else will ever constitute quality. So you as a new entrepreneur who wants to succeed, you need to be the best quality manager. And quality is more than just about the finished product, but it is all about the processes, the systems, and the people who are behind that product. Quality is not what happens when what you do matches your intentions. It is what happens when what you do matches your customers' expectations. Delivering quality in your business means knowing who your stakeholders are, understanding what their needs are, and meeting those needs both now and in the future. And by stakeholders, I mean anyone who has an interest in the success of what your business does. Your customers, your suppliers, your staff, and the community in which you operate. The third one is finance plan. Now, this is the cornerstone of every successful business out there. And for a new business, it is the most important factor. A business with no financial plan is like a bus that is driven by a drunk driver. You as the owner, you need the financial statements of each and every single day that your business is running. And you need to understand the return on investments in every single decision that you make, which is key in a new business where finances can be tight. So every decision that you make should be made with it's a life or a death mindset. Failure to that, no matter how good of a product you have or how good in sales and marketing you are, if you can't manage your finances well, your business is as good as dead. Before I give you the key areas on where to focus on in your business finances, be sure to like and subscribe if you're getting useful information from this video, so that I can continue helping you on how to be a successful entrepreneur. So the key areas that you should focus on business finances are: the first one is return on investments, or the ROIs in various campaigns. The second one is tactical finance planning. The last one is money inputs and outputs. Hey, that was it for today, and success in your new business, and see you on the next one.